In this video, I'll show you how to save an Excel sheet as a PDF. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet you want to save as a PDF. Now click on the File tab in the top left corner. From the menu, select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF. Now click on the Save As Type drop-down menu. Select PDF.pdf from the list of file formats. If you only want to save the current worksheet, click Options and choose Active Sheets. Then click OK. Now enter a file name for your PDF. Finally, click Save. Excel will create a PDF version of your worksheet and save it to the selected location. You can open the PDF to check that everything looks correct. That's it. This is how you can save an Excel sheet as a PDF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.